हमने पाकिस्तानी drones देखे. Turn-offs. I said that to my face. I was like, I never said that. And I sat on the floor and I was crying. For once in my whole life, मेरे पास actually एक vlog तैयार था, but I was like, you know what? Let's film a chatpata video. So I'm doing questions I have avoided answering video. First question I see, obviously it's about guys. What is your type at a guy? Red flag in them and turn-offs. My type. Okay, मुझे बहुत शर्म आ रही है saying this, but the first thing I look at in a guy is height. Because listen, okay, I am 5'7". If he is also 5'7", that's not gonna work. Like, I like tall guys. Plus, EQ plus IQ होना चाहिए. You know, like not just like smart, but also being able to read the room, being able to know when to shut up, when to speak, and what to say. ये सब बहुत important है. And you realize at one point that ये सबके पास नहीं है. You think ये सबके पास है, but ये सबके पास नहीं है. Turn-offs. Probably guys who think that उन्हें सब कुछ आता है and they wanna like teach you everything, like basically mansplainer. Please keep your gyan to yourself. Only I can give gyan here. Guys who just can't like, you know, listen to like other points of view and have like थोड़ा सा open debate and just have fun. Like हर चीज़ में इतना stuck up होने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. Principled होना and just stuck up होना में बहुत difference होता है. और relationship status. Do you have a boyfriend? Are you single? What is going on? I am very much single, guys. I think you guys are disappointed because you keep asking me this question, but I'm single only. I don't know anybody who I would like to date. If you're comfortable, can you describe the night of 8th May 2025, like your experience in college during the attacks? So basically 8th May को, I'm not sure अगर 8th में ही था, but May था, and उस टाइम पे ऑपरेशन सिंदूर वाला टाइम था, and in Jammu, basically, there was a high alert situation. We were told to evacuate immediately. हमने पाकिस्तानी drones देखे in the sky. There was a blackout in the city. It was very scary. We had booked a train for that night only. जब हमें बोल दिया था to evacuate immediately. But we actually couldn't make it to the train. Most people did make it, but we were around 40 people left in campus who couldn't make it because auto wale, cab drivers, कोई भी pick up नहीं कर रहा था calls, and they all disappeared. We were just stuck in campus. And then अगले दिन सुबह we booked another train at 5 a.m. and we have somehow escaped. This is obviously like a very shortened version of the whole story, but it was like a horrifying night. And I can't even imagine the fear of the people who were living in Jammu, who were from Jammu, and जो लोग जम्मू के थे but वो बाहर थे and उन्हें वापस आना पड़ा to Jammu to be with their families. It's all very, very scary. Are you very, very rich? Obviously from heart. Yes, heart say I'm very, very rich. College drama, that's too messed up in details. Don't give names, but I want to know the environment there. I mean, हर college में drama होता है. There is drama everywhere. Anywhere where you will find a collection of people, there will be drama. Drama तो बहुत हो चुका है, मैं क्या बताऊँ. So मेरी first year की roommate, well, I had two roommates. One of them was an absolute psycho. And मेरे पास इतनी crazy stories है. But I know for a fact if she sees this or if somebody says this to her, she will think that I'm in love with her. So yeah, I had a psycho roommate in first year, and then second year maybe had, and then we got single rooms. Jai Mata Di. And it's crazy because this girl was the only girl I had spoken to before coming to college. And जब हम लोग आए and I found out that we are roommates, it was like, oh my god, crazy. Like this is so life sorted. No, the only person I'm talking to in college is my roommate. Crazy. Then I realized I think it was like God being like, beta, ab tum dekho. And then I was friends with this other girl. Until one day I realized she's cuckoo in the way that she's a pathological liar. वो इतने crazy झूठ बोलने लगी. Like एक दिन she came to my room to like sort things out or whatever. And she said like an insane lie. She said that I said something about this other girl. And I was like, casually बोला in a sentence कि, oh yeah, you said this about X. You said X looks like a certain thing. That's what she said. And I was like, what? I was like, I literally never said that. And I said that to her face. I was like, I never said that. But scared. I had like goosebumps. I was like, इतना झूठ कौन बोल सकता है और इतने confidently. मैंने बहुत कुछ हुआ है, but I can't say it. Maybe I will one day. I don't know if you guys want to know. Maybe. But yeah, I got a question about one of these girls. Not the roommate, the other girl. Ki if I'm still friends with this girl, I am not friends with this girl. If you don't see someone in my videos now who used to be in my videos a lot pehle, that's probably for a reason. Your school tea, beef with your friends. I actually have no beef from school and friends के साथ तो obviously I don't have any beef. There were some people who I just never liked in school, तो मैंने school छोड़ दी उनको block कर दिया because मुझे उनकी शक्ल नहीं देखनी थी. That is it. IPM from Baby IMs, I think it's going a dead trap and your content is really good, just loving. Thank you so much for loving my content. When I had originally recorded this video last night, but I wanted to film it again, I'll insert that clip here to answer your question. IPM from Baby IMs is a dead trap. Let's talk about this. ये तो मुझे हर रोज आता है कमेंट या DM कि is the IM that I am at worth it? Is Baby IPM worth it? First of all, आपका worth it का definition क्या है? ROI ratio, placement upon fees. If you are really talking about placement numbers fluctuate so much. They are different every single year. Rankings fluctuate so much. Like the college I am at, the ranking has jumped, I think, 6 or 7 places in just 1 year. Even if you were to complete the whole program here, you are going to get placed 5 years from now. How can you predict? There's no statistical analysis you can do to predict your placement 5 years from now. You just cannot predict that. You just cannot predict placement numbers 5 years from now. And of course, you can always leave the program after 3 years. Go to a different IIM or go to ISB or go abroad to do your MBA. Like, बहुत options है. Or just not do MBA at all. If your vision is limited to, मैं अभी loan लूँगी and then I will finish my program and उसके बाद मुझे एक job लगेगी and I'll be able to pay off the loan. Those terms, maybe it's not worth it if you want to consider आज के placement numbers. Also, placement is not just determined by the college you go to. It's largely dependent on what you do while you are in that college. Like look, top IIMs जाके भी below median place होते हैं. It just depends a lot on what you do and what kind of skills you develop. One of the biggest benefits of IPM is that you're exposed to this world of what actually goes on at B school and what recruiters are looking for in students when you're so young. So over 5 years, you have an opportunity to develop your CV really well. You can talk to MBA people, you can talk to MBA people in other colleges. You'll see your peers doing so much. You'll see your seniors doing so many things in order to have a really tight CV. IPM is a course that makes you think in a nuanced manner beyond making flat out statements like IPM from Baby IM is not worth it. My mom's doubtful about sending me to IM Jammu because of political unrest. What is your take on this? I think Jammu is a very safe city overall. मतलब यहाँ के लोग बहुत अच्छे, बहुत sweet हैं. If you're from Delhi, then तो you will have a full culture shock because यहाँ के लोग बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. Like I've doubted it so many times. Like, is this person really that nice or am I getting scammed? I mean, in the 2 years that I have been here, only one major situation has happened and we were all very safe because the college handled it well. Yeah, now though we are all in the same campus also. Like everybody's under one roof. So there's even more safety here. I can't really say anything. I can't guarantee that nothing will happen ever in Jammu. But I can say pretty confidently that students will remain safe regardless of it. Safety wise, it's a very safe city. Like it is extremely safe. Do you low-key hate your college? Guys, I know it seems like I hate my college because of the way I talk in my videos, but I don't. I think it's just that you can never love your college. Nobody loves their college. Everybody has something they don't like about their college. And if you have nothing you don't like about your college, there is something you're not seeing. There is something to not like about your college. What your father and mother do? My father is in business and my mother is in corporate. How much do you make in a year? Want real figures. I feel so ashamed saying this, but I genuinely don't know how much I made in the last year because I don't have a record of the total of receipts minus payments. I don't have that. But plus, I don't think most people are mature enough to have conversations about money for me to be talking about money that much. Is being 20 and never been in a relationship embarrassing? Well, I'm almost turning 20 and I have never been in a relationship, like a serious one. I don't think it is embarrassing at all. Like, there is more to life than dating and having romantic relationships. I think more than all of this, you should not force it. If you're not in a relationship, you're not in a relationship. It's okay. You should not forcefully get into a relationship with some useless person and then regret it for the rest of your life. Who is your best friend? So my best friends are Shriya from college and Akshat, who's my best friend from school. I am confused between choosing CUET and IPMAT. Are you preparing for boards? Take CUET. Prepare for IPMAT on the side. General test का भी हो जाएगा. take both CUET and IP Mat. I did not take CUET and I regret it every day. Not because I would have wanted to go to a different college, just because I did not take CUET after like scoring so well in 12th, and like it's a regret in me that I did not see my potential and see कि क्या हो सकता था. Take both CUET and IB Mat. Please take all of the exams. Trust me, you have more than enough time to prepare for all of the exams. How much did you earn from your internship? So my internship, I did not ask for any stipend because it was an internship in a CSR department. And जब ये conversation आई about stipend, I did not feel it was right to ask for stipend. CSR internships, you mostly don't get a stipend. Clothing haul दे दे यार, I love your pink and soft theme clothes. कहाँ से लेती है यार? So I actually buy most of my clothes from Uniqlo. I've realized all of my like cute stuff is from Uniqlo. Even this top that I'm wearing right now is from Uniqlo. I love the colors. I love the quality, so good. Are you preparing for CAT? Yes, I am preparing for CAT. To really do something to stay fit, but don't really tell us. Not trying to be rude, it's what I think. I don't know why I would hide if I did something to stay fit, because I think it's like so cool when people like take out time to work out and do things like this, but I don't. This is one of the things that bothers me the most because ये मुझे करना है. I do want to start working out जब भी time मिले. योगा मैट ले रखा है, मैं बस उसे use नहीं करती हूँ. Do you sometimes really miss your old academic weapon era, or is it back? I think my academic weapon era is slightly back. I don't think it can be back to that extent because there are a lot of things to do in college beyond studying. What are your opinions on dating in college? I think it's good and bad. मतलब बहुत लोग date करते हैं and they find someone to hang out with all the time. Some people go crazy. Keep fighting and it's like they involve pura friend groups in their fights. Patch up, break up, patch up, break up, patch up. You should date. You can date in college. I think it's not a bad idea. Depends on why you're doing it and who you are doing it with. How to manage college studies and other courses together. Dekho, I don't believe in giving faltu ki advice. You cannot, if you have a lot on your plate, you cannot balance everything. A perfect sleep cycle, work out every single day, do this also, do that also. Just not possible. तो एक चीज़ करने के लिए you have to be थोड़ा extreme. Like something you will have to sacrifice on. या तो social time, sleep little bit, sleep 1 or 2 hours less. कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. And your mindset is really important. Like this is why I talk about mindset all the time. If you're confident and if you believe that you can do it, you can do literally anything. How to avoid getting nervous or self-conscious in public? Wanted to know your perspective. I mean, जब भी मुझे लगता है that people are looking at me or someone is judging me or saying things about me, I just think to myself, firstly, they're probably not. उन्हें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता about me. They are probably just thinking about themselves. And even if they were thinking about me, वो कितनी देर मेरे बारे में गॉसिप करेंगे, कितनी देर वो डिस्कस करेंगे कि ओ ये ऐसी है वैसी है. It's got to stop at some point. Just pretend it's not happening because it never says anything about you. It always says something about that person who is gossiping about you if they are. And very rare chances that कोई कुछ actually बोल रहा होगा. Most of the time, nobody cares. So don't be nervous. Things you can't live without. Coffee, chai, your favorite photo of all time. I have this one photo of me and Bruno before he passed away. Probably my favorite photo. What kind of toxic friends or classmates have you encountered in college? Toxic की जो सारी variety, जो toxic का पूरा spectrum होता है, I think मैंने देख लिया है in 2 years of college. Number one, जो like फालतू में जो आपके बारे में कभी कुछ अच्छा नहीं बोल सकते. Who just have to say something bad. Or, my favorite kind of toxic. The people who will put you down to feel better about themselves, and people who just will always put you down. Like वो किसी conversation में किसी और को बुरा feel कराए बिना cool नहीं feel कर सकते because उन्हें लगता है बहुत cool है. के साथ you realize at one point they are not loyal to anybody. You think at one point कि वो आपके बारे में बुरा नहीं बोल रहे हैं, but वो किसी और के सामने जाके आपके बारे में बुरा बोलेंगे and फिर वो उसके बारे में बुरा बोलेंगे. And पैथोलॉजिकल लायर्स. भाई इतना झूठ कौन बोल सकता है? मेरे जितने क्रेजी झूठ सुने हैं रिसेंटली, I can't. First of all, I hate liars. I hate people who lie. You don't need to lie, man. Like people who just lie about everything. And ये ऐसी भी चीज़ें नहीं है जो वेरीफाई नहीं हो सकती. Like there are always things जो आप किसी और से जाके पूछोगे तो you'll know the truth. So like why is this person even lying in the first place if they know you can find the truth? मतलब liars जो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा झूठ बोलते हैं ना, मुझे उनको देखे तो मैं पागल हो जाती हूँ. लाइक ये क्या, मतलब ये कहाँ से आ रहा है, मतलब हाउ इज दिस इवन पॉसिबल. मतलब मेरा आई कैन जस्ट फील माई ब्रेन एक्सप्लोडिंग जस्ट थिंकिंग कि ये हो कैसे सकता है. कुछ लोग तो इतनी एलैबोरेट कहानियाँ बनाते हैं. यू शुड बी लाइक स्टोरी टेलर्स, राइट अ बुक J.K. Rowling 2.0, but don't tell me all your lies. How do you able to manage a lot of things at once? Don't you enjoy with your friends and family, play sports? I don't play sports. Well, I wish. But I do enjoy with my friends and family. I enjoy all the time. You see me in class, me and my best friend are the two people who are always having the most fun in class because we are always talking. Yeah, I like meet my friends all the time. I go home and meet my friends all the time. I go on trips. I like attend events and everything. You can do all of these things. It's just जानना कि कब कितना कर सकते हो and all of this and knowing priorities. And I know so many people who do this. It's not even like I'm the only one who's doing it. Everybody does it. You can do it. It's just that yes, if you have a lot of commitments जो like बहुत urgent है, then yes, you need to put aside all the other things and lock in. But other than that, you can manage having a life. Tell us about your mental health. So I know I've spoken about how my mental health is really bad in 2025, but I've never spoken about like how bad. There were so many days when I just could not stop crying. Like I would just keep crying for days, and I couldn't get out of bed. I like did not know how to like function. In fact, I had a panic attack for the first time in 2025. I remember I was in a meeting in academic block. I was in a classroom. It was like 10 p.m. raat ko, and we had a meeting, and I just like ran out of the classroom, and I like sat on the floor and I was crying and I couldn't breathe. I didn't even know what was going on. It was my friend who came with me who was like, you had a panic attack, because she had a panic attack in the past. I think now I'm feeling a lot better, I think, because I know the like triggers to that make these things happen. So I know how to prevent it, and I know how to manage my mental health a lot better. मुझे लगता था कि I had experienced bad mental health already, because in 11th and 12th also I had really bad mental health. But then God was like, बेटा आपने तो अभी तक कुछ देखा ही नहीं है. And then 2025 हो गया. Thank you for asking. I'm feeling a lot better, and I'm sharing this because I just want to say to anybody who's also going through this that it will get better. Trust me, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. You will get yourself out of that hole, and you will feel so much better. And then you will be stronger than ever, because वो फिर कभी नहीं होगा, because you will know how to prevent it. I've seen sometimes one side of your face gets too swollen in videos. Why does that happen? That's crazy. I did not think किसी ने notice किया होगा. Because let me tell you the story. I was born with this thing called hemangioма here. You can Google it. It's basically a cluster of blood vessels. Very common thing. It's just very rare to have it inside your cheek. Like normally people have it on their skin or something. So the problem is that a lot of blood goes to it. Like if I would bend or if I would be sleeping on this side, तो यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा blood accumulate हो जाता था, and my face would fully swell up. I actually got a minor operation for this in 2025. They put a needle through my cheek into my gum. They basically injected this alcohol solution into my gum to burn the blood vessels. It was very scary. Basically he was supposed to put in anesthesia का injection, and उसके बाद वो alcohol वाला injection. यहाँ से वो यहाँ तक आए तो उनको लगा that the effects of the anesthesia वो यहाँ पे भी होगा, but वो नहीं था. And जब उन्होंने डाला that injection, I cried. Cry भी नहीं, I howled. And the thing is, ये सब मेरे मुंह में हो रहा था, so I couldn't even make that much noise. I was just like I came out of that operation theater in tears. My face was red and like in tears. Basically उन्होंने मेरा पूरा like body cover कर दिया था, तो मुझे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा था. And it was in the like heart operation वाला theater. Heart surgeries and everything happened. My face was this big, like it was this swollen. So that is why it has gotten a lot better. It's not completely gone. It's like 80% gone. 2025 में बहुत dramatic चीज़ें हुई है. कुछ खुद ही हो गई थी, कुछ मैंने voluntarily करी. Like this one. Karen Crush! Dr. Shepard, because I'm watching Grey's Anatomy. What's the one thing that nerfs your potential? By the way, you're such a cute and so pretty. Thank you. Like, I get in my head sometimes, I feel. And I talk about mindset all the time. And it's the most important thing to me. And that's because it like messes me up so often and I have to get over it so many times. I had that like, you know, teenage boy confidence. तो पता नहीं क्या क्या कर लेती अगर मेरे पास इतना confidence होता. Like journals. You could have launched anything. Why journals? I appreciate the concern that you're expressing in why I've launched a journal. Promo segue. So if you guys have been watching me for any amount of time, you know that I'm a planning freak. मैं अपनी लाइफ के हर सेकंड को प्लान करती हूँ and I believe in functional planning, functional minimal planning with aesthetic but not with tamasha and drama. जिसमें आधा घंटा तो you are spending in, you know, making doodles and doing time waste. And this has like always been my thing, planning. That's why I launched a planner. In fact, we're starting an end of season sale for 35% off. Link in description, chinchai.in. Use code HAPPY26 to get 35% off. People treat you differently at college because you're a popular content creator. I don't think so. Matlab, not especially. I think starting May, I knew that my seniors and all had kind of preconceived notions about me. Like I know this for a fact कि उनको लगता था I'll be a certain way because I'm a content creator, and then they were so shocked to see that I'm not like that and I'm a normal person. Like they had expected something insane, and then I think that when the juniors came in, they also had their own perceptions about me, and I know they said lots of things. I found out about all of them. So in these ways, yeah, I think you get a little bit different treatment, but over time everything gets very normalized because nobody really cares. Like सबकी अपनी life है, किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Why won't you post study vlogs every week? Because bhai, I'm not studying every week. That's not life in college. Are you the topper there too? I am not. IIMs versus colleges in metro cities for someone who wants to pursue entrepreneurship. I would say probably colleges in metro cities because वहाँ पे you get, you know, access to the infrastructure. Metro cities में you get to meet people. You have time to meet people and do things and actually build stuff, and वो इतना IIMs में नहीं मिलता. अब धूप जा रही है तो I will have to stop filming this video. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more yapping and be school life. See you very soon. Bye.